Hello friends, welcome to my channel PPT Hub. In this channel you will find study materials, PowerPoint presentations, video lectures, tutorials and many more. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification. Today in this video I am going to talk about creative writing. First let me discuss the definition. What is creative writing? Creative writing is an art of sorts, the art of making things up. It is the writing done in such a way that is not academic but still attracts audience. We can say that it's any writing that is original and self-expressive. It is also called imaginative writing. Purpose of creative writing. The purpose of creative writing is both to entertain and share human experience like love, hate, etc. Writers attempt to get a truth about humanity through poetics and storytelling. Keep in mind that whether you are trying to express a feeling or thought, the first step is to use your imagination, which is key to creative writing. Now I discuss the type of creative writing. There are many type of creative writing. Here are some of them: poetry, plays, movie and television scripts, fiction, which include novels, short stories, songs, speeches, personal essays, which are these are the types that are written in first person narration. Okay. Techniques used in creative writing. So there are many techniques used. Some of them are character development, plot development, setting, theme, point of view, dialogue, metaphors and similes. So the character development is how the characters are the person, the people who act. Plot, you know, that very important part of any writing, in which there is a proper beginning, climax and conclusion. Setting tell us about where and when the event take place. Theme is the moral story, the moral of the story. Point of view may be three types. There are three types: first person narration, second person narration and third person narration. Dialogues are used to convey the message. Metaphors and similes are used for comparison. Now let me compare creative writing with the academic writing. What is the difference? Okay, style. The style is the chief main difference between academic and creative writing. Creative writing need not adhere to any specific style and parameters. Academic writing is different. Academic writing needs to be structured and executed adherence to a series of guidance. Academic writing is rigid, purposeful. All is to convey the knowledge, data and information, while creative writing is basically written to inspire. It is artistic and entertains, and it's create word pictures in the mind of readers, the concepts and deep meanings. It is enjoyable to read. Creative writing allows for more personal expression, whereas academic writing aims to explore an idea, argument or a concept. Academic writing require more factual evidence for support, whereas creative writing do not need factual evidence. It is imaginative mostly. Now I am going to discuss language using creative writing. Imagery is the language that is most often used in creative writing. Imagery is a language used by poets, novelists, and other writers to create images in the mind of readers. Imagery includes metaphorical language, which is used for comparison, direct comparison, to improve readers' experience through their senses. Now let me discuss the types of imagery. The first one is the auditory. Auditory imagery describe what we hear, for example, music, noise, silence, etc. Second one is the visual imagery, in which the writers describe what we see. It describe what we see, which includes colors, patterns, shapes, size, etc. The third one is the tactile, which describe what we touch or feel, such as texture, movement, temperature, etc. The fourth one is the olfactory, which describes what we smell, as nice fragrance, bad odors, scents, etc. The last type of imagery is the gustatory, which describe what we taste. For example, sour, bitter, sweet, salty, acidic, etc. So all these types of imagery make your writing more attractive and beautiful. So that's all. Thank you very much for listening.